freaking hair in my hand. I know my chin is hanging out, but I don't know where to put it. You get the real me. Oh, my tummy's rumbling. Hoovering. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To be honest, I don't know why I'm saying welcome back like you've ever seen any of my previous videos. The thing is, you probably never will, but this is what I'm saying. Oh yeah, I do apologize for looking like this, but if you know me, you know that I don't care. We keep it real up in here. Anyways, before I shower, I wanted to show you my new product, which is this blackhead removal thing, and I got it from Amazon. So this is actually called a blackhead remover vacuum pore cleaner. It's currently #1 bestseller on Amazon with over 3,600 reviews and an average of 4.3 out of 5. So as you can see, it comes with a manual which no one really reads, filters, a charger, and 4 other heads which I don't really show you. I do apologise for that. So this is the main body. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's actually quite good looking. It's quite sleek, it's nice. And it costs £26.99p, which is quite affordable. So if you're keen on seeing how well this works, carry on watching. I haven't used it yet, so I thought, let me come and use it on camera for you all to see how dirty I am. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty sick, doesn't it? Well, slick, not sick. But anyways, it's like one of those like ear thermometer things, like test your temperature. I think it looks actually quite decent. How do you even? But this is what it looks like. And you can, if you turn it on, let me look. So it turns it on, and then you can increase the suction. It's like a little. So let me go and shower, and then I'll be right back to show you how dirty my face is. Okay, so I just had a shower. Let's zoom into this so we can have a better look at what's coming out of my nose. And yeah, can you not judge my skin? Thanks. Okay, now that we've zoomed into my face, you can see my nose better, and you can see how bad my skin is. But yes, let's ignore that. So let's start. I'm gonna put it on first, and I'm gonna put it on setting number 3. Can you see all that? You can see me in the reflection bit. Don't mind my nose hair, everybody has nose hair, so go over it. Oh. Let's see what's inside it. Let me turn it off. I haven't seen it myself yet. Let me look. Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh my days. Can you see how dirty that is? That is freaking grim. Okay, that is so grim. Let me try my chin. Let me turn it on. Ew, that is so dirty. I swear it did say like don't do it on your chin and these places, but if you know me, you know that Mandy doesn't listen to rules. I'll probably become so bruised tomorrow because I'm a bit extreme when it comes to stuff like this. You can even see how dirty it is there. It doesn't hurt. Can you see? That is so disgusting. You can see that it's like come out. Well, kind of. Try and suck that thing out here. Ew. This is so disgusting. This is so good though. So what do I think about it? I really like it actually. I can see myself doing this every week. Okay, now that it's focused, you can see like wherever I tapped, and you can see how bad my skin is. But I think it did a pretty good job because you can see how much came out. And you can see. Okay, you can see how dirty it is. And all the dirt that just came out with. No, it's only my chin. That's how dirty we are, guys. Let me get it out. Oh, that is so disgusting. Look. To be honest, I don't know why I'm showing you this. My mum's gonna screw. She's like, your face is dirty, you need to clean it. Excuse me, I do actually clean my face, thanks. Yeah, ew. It's so dirty. Yeah, so if you saw earlier, I had that white bits there and you could see like into my holes, but it looks somewhat cleaner. Well, I think it's probably in my head, but obviously you can see that how much came out of it. So as you can see, I actually quite like this in fact. So if anyone wants to buy it, it's on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. It's actually quite good because, let me show you. You can see like how much it sucked out of my pores. It's actually very disgusting, but at least it's clean now. And I'll probably use this like once a week, or if I had it my way, I'd probably use it every day, which is probably not good, but I really like it. Let me see if I can get anything else out whilst we're here. I don't think this is not even how you're meant to use it either. You're meant to move it up and down when you're using it. And they say that you can't leave it in one spot for too long, otherwise you get bruised. But it's fine. Not really a lot come out. Okay, let's see. Only a little tiny bit, if you can. There's like a rim around the edge, if you can see. Okay, that's better. You can see like there's the rim, that bit there. Would I recommend it? 100%. Because did you not see the dirt that came out of there? And that's it for today. that's me cleaning my nose with my new device, and I hope you liked my video.